Hello and welcome to this how-to video about x-dream-Fabrik, the publish module. The purpose is, as it says, to publish to various media. So we do a cross-media publication, what means we go to the websites and to social media. And if there are other kind of media services. The idea is that the content is prepared in a way that is capable for the target system. So for instance, like for X, we have just a short text. For YouTube, we have a video and a headline and probably a description. For the website, we have an extensive article being prepared. And then content is published, but we keep the connection so that we have the ability to follow the views, to get information about commands, to react to that and to get statistics. But this all is shown in a different video because there are separate panels for this. This video here is about how we do create a publication. I'm currently logged on to x-dream-Fabrik. I've selected the publication workspace, and here on the right hand side we see already an earlier preparation of a story or an asset to be published. That was an interview that I did on our trade show booth, and this very moment there's one version of that. Now we will do a similar in a second. I will show you how this is all done. But what I want to point out here is, as you can see, for X we have a short text, and for the website there's a longer text, in addition a category, because probably that way we can automatically check in this video into a certain navigation item. And it has a title. And for Facebook, we do have a title only and a description and always the video. In all cases, we have the possibility to edit the video. This mainly gives us a way that we trim the video, and we could enable adding an overlay, what means a logo. All that information is used later on when we do the actual publication. Means when the video was modified, we run a transcoder that creates the version, so the content version of that video with the graphical overlays, and also in the bit rates and resolutions that is suitable for the publication system, for the publication media. So like Facebook wants to receive content different than YouTube and different than my own website. As I've promised, we want to create a new one, so I'm using this plus symbol, and here I'm asked for a publication name. So let's say we publish about my visit in Hilversum. Stefan visit Hilversum, and we say, okay, we go to all the media, Facebook, website, X, YouTube. And the fastest and easiest way to get that started is we take the content from the archive, so from the assets, and with a drag and drop, it is in. Okay, now what else? We can play the video, can review it, we can trim it here already, but let's go fast. We just press the save button, and that should give us the view that we have seen earlier. So in this case, for X, the text is not shortened because it is already short. We had just a very short description in here. But as said, for the website, I probably want to select the category where this should go to. Then for YouTube, I need to log in. This is a technical topic to connect the with the publication account. And then last but not least, when I'm happy with that result, I can rework it. As I shown you earlier, I press the publish button. That drives a workflow that now does all the transcoding if necessary, does the upload, calls the web services, APIs of all the different publication media, and makes the content available on the front ends. We can see here that we have a version of that right now. Now, why is that? We could modify and then we can republish later on. So that means when a story develops, for instance, we have a publication that starts on the website only. Later on we have social media, and then even later when we have a complete knowledge about that, we do a long video on YouTube where we have a detailed report of something that has happened. And all these versions are shown here. Yeah, basically that's it, how the publish module of x-dream-Fabrik works. Thank you so much for watching.